YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today I will be going over the Jordan 4 in the SASHIKO colorway. But before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Now, I was lucky enough to get this shoe off of BSTN overseas because this was not a US release. But when I saw this shoe online, I had to have it. So we will start off with the box. Very interesting Jordan 4 box. You got the Jumpman logo, the flight writing underneath. Now, then you have all the SASHIKO stitching type designs, which a lot of this is actually sacred geometry, and that is the thing that pulled me towards these sneakers. The second I saw stuff like the flower of life, like stuff like this, just very symmetrical type designs. I have it tattooed on me. It's on my arm, you can't see it right now, but I just absolutely love that design. And so when I saw it on a Jordan 4, I was like, I have to have these. Now, like I said, the retail is $220 US dollars. I did get a size 10, that's UK 9, Europe 44. Now this shoe, I will get into what I think resale will be and all that good stuff, and whether you should hold on to this shoe or sell now. But before we do that, let's just look at the sneaker. So bam, the Jordan 4 SASHIKO colorway. This thing is insane. I absolutely love the materials, the design, just the overall color scheme of this shoe. I think Jordan Brand did a really nice job with this colorway, and I really feel like it was slept on. I don't know if that's just because I am in the States, and since it wasn't releasing here, maybe that's why there wasn't that much hype around it, but it does seem to be a little slept on. I don't see why. Like I said, you do have this dope design on the upper, the SASHIKO stitching type fabrics going on, so it's kind of like this jean type fabric, and you can see random spots on the Jordan 4 have different materials, different designs, different fabrics. Very cool. I'm pretty sure every patch, every design is unique, so no pair is the same, and I really like it when Jordan Brand does that type of stuff. Now the materials actually seem to be very nice quality, so taking a closer look, we can see obviously each one has a different texture, so you can just hear the difference between the fabrics. Now, even though the materials are nice quality, I don't think this shoe is going to be that durable. I see this shoe wearing out really easily, but I don't necessarily think that's a bad thing. I think it's like a pair of jeans, obviously. So, you know, rubbing up against certain things, you'll get that like distressed, like jean look. You might get some rips, some little tears. But I think it gives like character to this shoe just because it'll give it that old style type of vibe. So I think even if these shoes are beat up, they're still gonna look nice. So that's a big plus on the shoe. Now, the Jordan 4 does not have the netting right in the middle. Instead, it does have this stitch design, and that is on both sides, as well as the tongue running up until you get to the top of the tongue, where you do have some different patches. You got the main patch with the Jordan logo and the flight in red. Now, I like pretty much everything about this shoe, but there's one thing that really pisses me off with this colorway, and I just don't even know what Jordan Brand was thinking when they did this, because it just doesn't make sense. And that is the laces. So as you guys can see right here, we got a red lace on this shoe, whereas the other shoe has blue laces. And these are like, it's like a navy blue. I actually really like the color on this lace. And honestly, at first I didn't think the different colored laces was a big deal, because I was thinking, oh, I'll just throw on the other blue pair onto this shoe and, you know, they'll both be blue. Jordan Brand did not send any other laces. So the red laces laced up on the right shoe, that's it. And the blue laces laced up on the left shoe is it. There's no extra red or extra blue laces, so you're stuck like this. So I don't know how I'm gonna find these laces, because it is a different type of blue. It's just gonna be harder to find. It has a little bit of a teal color to it. yeah, it's just a different tone of blue, and it really pisses me off because I just wanted it to look like this. I think this right here with the blue laces looks way better than the red. That's just my personal opinion. I don't think this looks bad. I just think I would rock it with blue. Now I can see these shoes going really well with white, so I will probably do that for this video, and honestly I might just end up rocking these with white laces because I'm not really digging this whole mismatch look. Not that it's bad or anything, because obviously you do have some red on the right shoe, a little in the toe box, and then some more red on the heel and the tongue. So it does kind of accent and complement the red laces nicely, but I don't know, it just throws me off, and I just don't like the mix match of the laces. So I'll probably wear some white ones, honestly. Now the back tab is that blue translucent little Jordan tab. Got that same translucent blue on the little waffles on both sides. Now your lining is this flower-like design. You have a white and blue midsole. On your outsole you got some white, blue, red, and this like milky translucent up on the toe and heel section of the shoe. I really think after watching this video and maybe some other ones on YouTube, I think a lot of people are gonna change their mind and they're gonna really want this shoe. And I see this shoe going up in value with time. It's already sitting around $280 to $300 depending on the size. So that's about, you know, $60 to $80 over retail. So a little bit of resale on this shoe, and I do think with it being a non-US release that it has more potential as far as resale in the future. So in 6 months to a year, I would not be surprised if this shoe is around $360, maybe even $400. Now I could be wrong, but that's what I'm going with. I think a lot of people are gonna regret sleeping on this shoe. And with that being said, let's take a look at this shoe on feet.
Yo, I just fuck your bitch. I just swish. I do it. Swish. Yeah. Had a condo for your bitch. Had a condo for your swish. Swish. Yeah. Smash. Then I dip. Swish. I do it. Swish. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Had a product for your bitch. Had a product for your swish. Swish. Yeah.
Who really fucking with me? Ooh. Knowing I already checked. Yeah. Thinking that anything sweet. Not me. Try me, you can't be my guest. Yeah. Whip got a stick in it and it got an extension. One in the air, hold 30 in the clip, nigga. Got some boys on Raleigh who was down for a lick, nigga. Don't get caught slipping, get your hair banana split, nigga. Ruby on my tooth, yeah, I'm different. You could put the diamonds in the pendant. I just took a trip to the dentist. I ain't like my grill, I had to fix it. Superstar smile when I
yeah, if I pull up, you know that I got it on me. Yeah, I got it on me. Like I just do, she pull up on me. Yeah, she pull up on me. Hit the girl tryna take pictures of me. Yeah, pictures of me. Told her I don't take pictures for free. Nah, not for free. She need 2 pieces of ID 16, but she look 23. Gotta be careful, these bitches is slimy. Careful, my nigga, do not even try me. I'm tryna run up.
And bam. Let me know what you guys think of the Jordan 4 SASHIKO. Are you gonna cop this shoe now that you've seen this video? If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, your boy Breezy Kicks, we out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.